Thought there'd be more creatures, but there's not out tonight. It's still early though, it's only about 9 o'clock. We already patrolled this area. But sometimes you want to double back. Because they go, ooh, there's Patrick. I go, yeah, that's right. Ooh. Like, people come back here and they're like, hey, I'm just trying to do my drugs. I'm like, yeah, get the fuck out of here. No drugs. Say no to drugs. Do drugs at other people's houses, in their bathrooms, like regular people. Alright? So when you go over to grandma's house and she's got those frogs with the large penis and the vagina, yeah. You steal those and then do cocaine off of them. That's where normal people do drugs. Tom's Barbecue is barbecuing for tomorrow. It smells good. I haven't seen you around here before. How long you been doing this? 6 years. Like you usually sleep here? No. Can't see anything over there. September's by. What's up, smokers? Smokers and jokers. Go to a bar. Ugh. I'd rather stay home and read the Bible. I don't even like the Bible. Let's see if there's critters. Critters. It's over there, Mama.
Nothing. It looks like they
fixed the gate?
Looks like they locked it.
Good.
They didn't clean anything.
No. We can check. Was that a fart? Little fart? Big fart?
I'm not gonna answer you.
Oh, you don't have to answer me. Oh. Like on the cops. They tried cleaning it up. Something. What's that? Gross. Gross. Gross, gross, gross.
It's gross.
Gross. Gross people.
Find
Nothing, just
dead bodies.
Gross. Gross standards of living. I don't say anything. But you never know. I was over here one time killing weeds, and dude was sitting right there. Did not even notice him until he like made a noise. It's like, God damn it! Fucking startled me. So I'd love to see how this compares to LA.
This is.
Oh, I know. This is super. Yeah. No, this would be flooded.
Yeah.
What was it? Paul Hogan was all like, "This is my house, not yours." And it's like, oh, it's all of our house now. You're on the beach, motherfucker. That's not a knife. This is a knife.
It's not a knife. This is a knife.
I love the gangsters in that scene
Uh-huh.
because they look like they just came off the set of like Breakin' 2 Electric Boogaloo. It's fucking great. It's like, okay, this is what gangsters look like? Okay.
I don't think they were supposed to be gangsters.
Yeah, they were like supposed to be hoodlums, like thugs,
Well, yeah,
you know.
thugs, yeah.
But they were like
But
they were
like
too fancifully dressed. I'm like, I don't think
Yeah.
these guys put that much effort into their clothing choices.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's wardrobe. Pretty quiet. It's oh so quiet. Nobody's working late. No graffiti. Good job. Stay over there. Nothing. I know. I mean, one time
Jesus.
these guys snuck up on me one night. There was a whole pack of dudes right in there, like 4 of them, like a Walking Dead. Thank you. It's like, wear a fucking seatbelt, Cherry. You're gonna fall off the cart. I told you I saw that one guy today. He cut across the lawn. And there we go. What's that?
Looks like a backpack.
Yeah. So he cut across the lawn, and then he started heading back behind 1001 Nights. And I said, I go, hey, can you not cut across my lawn? And where the fuck are you going? Because there's like, you know, I know nothing's back there. And he's like, I'm just walking, man. And then he walks over to this side, and then he walks by Honey Baked Ham, and then just like walks around. I'm like, all right. So, but I think this was his. So stash, motherfucker. I got your stash. I got your stash, motherfucker. Ooh, this one's heavy. This might have some treasure. Throw in the dumpster or pick through it? So I think it's a girl's. It's got girl cream stuff in it. What is that? Socks, scissors, some sort of purse. You can keep the scissors, bitch. Oh, I got footage. We came across a girl that was changing her shirt, doing nothing wrong, behind the Shell station. That was good. This is probably her shit. Ugh. There you go, Mama.
Okay.
We took your shit. So Patrick, that's not right. Would Jesus do that? Fuck yeah, Jesus. Dude, Jesus whipped some ass with some ropes. Turned some fucking picnic tables over and shit. Dude's money changers, you know? They were like, oh, you have to do a sacrifice? Well, you know, it's gonna cost you. And they're like, for a full white dove, it's whatever, it's 5 shekels. And then for like a spotted pigeon, it's like 2. It's like, and then he's like, oh, these are African coins. This is African gold. We don't know if this is any good. So, and then they discount on the change rate and all that kind of stuff. So, just motherfuckers. Fuckers of mothers. Man, there's a poop party here one night. Dude, the Burger King is like a mile and a half away. And they walked all the way here with the fucking Burger King, then ate it, then took shits, and then threw it at the wall. And I'm like, okay, like, what the fuck? So, yeah, I didn't clean that shit up.
Nothing.
Yeah.
That's what I saw the other night.
Ah. I don't know what that is. Like coronavirus on a cloth. Something. Eh. It's like vomit. You just gotta pick up the big chunks. Let the dogs get the rest. The dogs are like, those are the best parts. I'm like, I know. We done, Mama?
Yes.
Alright. Gotta go home. Take showers, maybe watch some Handmaid's Tale, and then maybe take the dogs out. I haven't taken the dogs out in like 3 days. So they're all fat now. Also, the blacktop gets really hot during the day, so it's like, I feel bad for them.
Yeah.
Good night, everyone. We love you.